Hello there, America. I'm here in Florida. We got a very rare bird. It's big. We're gonna try and lure it in and call it. I got some calls that I got made up. It's gonna go good. Are we ready? Let's listen for it. I don't think she's buying it. We gotta do the real African make-off. We really want to lure this gal in. She's a Sheila. That one hurts my throat a little bit. Let's listen. I don't think she's buying it. We really gotta pull something out of our pockets here if we really want to lure her in. It's one of a kind, rare find. Everybody listen. We're gonna start it low and we're really gonna crank it up a little bit. She likes the laughter. The laughter really invites her in for a friendly meet and greet. I'm really gonna have to pull this one out from the soul. Bring it in from my heart. This soft, gentle call really makes a real warm, calming event. I'm really just pushing the sound out to her. Well, that's all, folks. Couldn't bring her in.